Hi guys, it's Wednesday and it's another day, another vlog. So, as what you have noticed guys, nandito na ako sa workplace ko, and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales as usual, and aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales, and then actually wala pa naman tayong deliveries today kasi waiting pa din tayo sa additional booking, and today nga pala guys is meron tayong unloading kasi nga dumating na din yung stocks natin from Pandacan. So, obviously, medyo busy tayo today. So, that would be my agenda for today, guys. So, anyway, dyan lang muna kayo. Mag-work lang din muna ako.
Jing sa kanya ng big bike. Na, pag si John to po sa era, ito na mga big bike. Si Jimbo, si John to, si Kim, na rumor. Itong bike ko talaga mga yan.
So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today aside from unboxing. Yes, kasi nga dumating na din yung parcel ko na basket. So, I'm so excited na i-unbox ito guys. Actually, this is my second time around na bumili ng basket dito sa shop na to. Kasi nga sobrang tested ko na and sobrang ganda ng quality ng basket nila. So, anyway guys, samahan nyo ako mamaya na mag-unboxing. So, as what you have noticed guys, andito na ako sa bahay. So, samahan nyo ako guys na i-unbox na yung parcel ko. So, let's go guys!